In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and schedule a meeting in the Microsoft Teams mobile app. This process is essential for keeping your work organized and ensuring effective communication with your team. Let's dive right in. First, we'll open the Microsoft Teams desktop app and sign in with your credentials. It's important to be on the desktop app initially as some functions are easier to manage here. Once signed in, take a look at the left sidebar. You'll see several options, but what you need to focus on is the one labeled Calendar. Give that a click. Now that you're in the Calendar section, it's time to create your meeting. At the top right corner of the interface, you'll notice a button that says Plus New Meeting. Click on that to begin setting up your new meeting. This brings you to a form where you'll enter all the necessary details for your meeting. The first thing you'll want to do is fill in the meeting title. This title is what your participants will see, so make it clear and descriptive, such as Project Update Meeting. Following that, you'll need to set the date and time for the meeting. Make sure you choose a time that works for all participants if possible. While filling in the participants is optional at this stage, it's good to have an idea of who you'll be inviting. Remember, you can still create the meeting link even if you don't add participants right away, which is convenient if you're planning to confirm attendance later on. After filling in all the required details, click Save. Once saved, your new meeting will appear in your calendar. It's now time to retrieve the link for this meeting. Simply click on your newly created meeting in the calendar. Doing so will provide you with a Join Microsoft Teams Meeting link. Copy this link, as it's crucial for inviting others to your meeting. You have several options for sharing this link. You can send it via email, through a chat in Microsoft Teams, or even include it in a calendar invite. This flexibility ensures you're able to cater to the preferences of all your participants, making it easy for them to join the meeting when the time comes. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've smoothly created and scheduled a meeting in Microsoft Teams using the desktop app first, and you're now equipped to send out invites with ease. Whether you're managing a team project or just catching up with colleagues, these tools help make the process seamless and efficient. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.